Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a draw tab to your Microsoft Excel. So this is another Excel tutorial. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel to open the Microsoft Excel. Click on it. Click on the blank workbook. So right here, we only have these tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help, and the Acrobat. Now, how can we add the Draw tab? So quickly click on this File tab. And then you have to click on More in the list of options. Click on Options. For the Excel options in this window, you will find this option Customize Ribbon. Click on that. For Customize the Ribbon, click on this drop-down arrow and choose Main Tabs. And here you will find Draw. So in order to enable the Draw tab or have the Draw tab in our Microsoft Excel, simply check this box and then click on OK. And now we have the Draw tab. So here, we can use this to draw like that. You can also use its eraser. You can also move this. You can add some like that. And if you want to erase it, you have the eraser. So that's it. That's how you can easily add the Draw tab on your Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.